Hey everyone, Dr. Max, it's Michelle. She's for her 12 months visit after she had a hair restoration here, exactly 12 months ago, right?
Yes.
So you can see her happy face. What that means that, she really likes the results of the procedure. We did a FUE hair restoration right here in the mid-scalp, and you can see actually this is face up here. So all this area now, this is the area is being restored, and it looks exactly, it's pretty much undetectable. Look at this. It looks like this hair follicles always been like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. We didn't do anything here, and we stopped, but this is the area right here in the mid scalp is completely restored. How do you feel about the results so far?
Great. It's hard to see it because you see it every day, but after a year and when you see the picture, then you realize how big of a difference it's made.
Yes, it's like night and day.
Night and day.
Why are you wearing your scrubs now?
Oh, I'm about to take a hyperbaric treatment for my follow-up and do a PRP injection, my last treatment.
Exactly. So she's about to get her PRP injection into the entire scalp, because the concept of care here is not only to treat the area of concern. So when we do the PRP treatment, we're going to treat the entire frontal area all the way to the back. So the idea of PRP treatments, it's to minimize any future hair loss. I don't want to see you back as my patient for surgery.
I don't want to come back either.
You see, I like to see you from time to time with happy face and smiles. But yeah, again, the idea here, we don't want patient to have more surgery. So we always are trying to advise what can we do to prevent future hair loss, how to take medications, how to apply topical solutions, do periodic PRP treatments. Our patients, in fact, they get a lifetime 50% discount on PRP treatments. The way we do it, it's very effective to prevent and treat early and miniaturization of hair follicles. Michelle, any words? What?
Satisfied customer, and the reason why I came with Dr. Max was because the whole package, just like he said, you get the whole package from beginning to the end of your, from your consultation till the end. They think of everything. Everybody in the office was friendly, and I'm thrilled with the outcome.
What one factor, was it important to you that in your case, I stayed with you every minute and I did every single graft with my own hands?
Yes, that was very important, as well as he stated, including the PRP treatment in the whole care process, whereas a lot of other places, I researched a lot of other places, and that was not included in the whole process.
Yes, exactly. And, one thing we always need to reiterate, when you research whether you want to get a hair transplant, it's important to make sure that you go to be treated by a qualified physician, not a technician, but a doctor from the beginning till the end, because we want to make sure you get the best care possible. It was Dr. Max with Michelle. Thank you so much.
Thank you.